Hi, I am going to attempt to make a uh, editable PDF type worksheet. Like many teachers, maybe you're trying to figure out how to use some practical things with students at home through Schoology and avoid the fact that some kids don't have printers. So what I'm going to try to do first is I'm going to call this the letter A. Now I'm in Google Draw. If you just go to Google and you type in Draw Google, it's just part of G Suite. I'm going to call this the letter A. And I do recognize that our student devices do have a screen ratio that's like this, that's kind of amplified actually, if they edit it within Schoology, which I think is going to be easiest for my younger kids. So, oops. Let me just go down here to page setup, and I'm going to change this to something custom. Let's say like 14 by 5. Okay, and so this makes a nice wide canvas for my work. I've come over here to handwriting. I just did some practice the letter A. I just Googled it, and I'm going to go ahead and screenshot it. There are many ways to turn PDFs or items into images, and that's what we need them to be to put them in Draw. But probably the easiest is to just copy that to my clipboard in my Chromebook and paste it in here. Okay, and I can see right away that I might need to crop this a little bit. I'm going to go ahead and pause that while I format this. Okay, so what I've done is just basically cut this page in half, and I did a little bit of formatting to make it the size I wanted over here. And now I'm going to assign this in Schoology, and then we'll see what the student sees. All right, I'm going to pause. Okay, so I've opened my Schoology page here, and I'm going to create an assignment. I'm going to say practice the letter A. And I might type my instructions in, students forming the letter A. Refer to Mr. Wheeler's awesome video for tips. I'm sure I would have made one if I was teaching kindergarten or first grade. That would just be awesome. I'm going to go to my Google Drive assignments. And there it is, the letter A. It's a Google Draw assignment. Okay. I'm going to make this due Sunday because we all do our best work on the weekend. I'm going to make it worth 10 points. And we're going to call that Writing Language Arts. Okay, it's going to publish to students. I'm going to create it. All right, after that's created, I'm going to pause this. I'm going to go in as a student, and we'll check out the student view. All right, now I've logged in as a student, gym practice student that our awesome tech team set up. And I come down here to upcoming, and actually I have practice the letter A, and I have addition practice. 2 versions of that because I upgraded it. So I open this up, and it says students should practice forming letter A. Refer to Mr. Wheeler's awesome video for tips. And then I click right here, my document. Okay, now it's generating a document for gym practice student. And now he's in Google Draw. Okay, so he could, of course, open this and edit it on a larger canvas, but then he has to come back here to submit it. So if I was teaching younger kids, I might just encourage them to practice here. To draw, I would need to teach them how to do this. Select line, select scribble. And now on our touchscreen devices, I can just do this. Obviously, this would work less well on non-touchscreen devices. It is not as precise as I would want, but definitely in this moment helps them to practice. All right, I'm running out of time, but they could complete that. And when they're done, they submit it. Yes, submit. All right, I've just got 20 seconds left, so I'm going to come over to addition practice. All right, and now my directions here actually said for students to do this. And here I could teach my kids to either draw or to use a text box to type their answer in. So there you have it.